If you want to change icon colors on the Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we can open Settings. Once we go to Settings, we should be able to go to Wallpaper and Style. Now in here, we can go to the Color Palette. We need to enable Color Palette. And also we need to enable this option, Apply Palette to App Icons. Now over here, based on the selected palette, we should be able to change colors change the color for app icons. Of course, over here we have the preview. We can also go to basic colors in order to choose one of them. So let's say I'm gonna pick this one over here. And now I'm gonna tap on apply at the bottom of the screen. And if we go to the home screen, you will notice that many app icons are going to be updated. So let's see. This might actually take a little bit of time to update it, but there we go. All right, so now after going to the home screen, as you can see, app icons have been updated, but as you notice, unfortunately, not every app works with this. If I go to the app drawer, as you can see, there are some third-party apps that unfortunately have not been updated. So that's a drawback, but of course we can probably deal with that. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.